Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to grow your YouTube channel in 2025, a comprehensive masterclass designed to take you from a beginner to a thriving content creator. In today's YouTube landscape, success is no longer just about uploading videos randomly. It requires understanding the platform's highly sophisticated AI-driven algorithms, knowing your audience intimately, and creating content that is both consistent and compelling. The YouTube algorithm in 2025 prioritizes watch time, session duration, click-through rates, and viewer engagement more than ever before, meaning that your content must be designed to capture attention immediately and retain it for as long as possible. Understanding that specificity is far more powerful than generality, focusing on a niche that you are passionate about and that also has a receptive audience is critical. Niche content allows creators to stand out, build authority, and develop a loyal following, and it is within this niche framework that shorts, long-form tutorials, and evergreen videos can work together to drive sustainable growth. When it comes to content creation, the first few seconds of a video are the most important. The hook must be immediate, intriguing, and relevant to the viewer, whether it is a bold statement, a question, a surprising fact, or a visually striking scene. Following this, the content must be structured to deliver maximum value with a clear narrative flow, combining storytelling, actionable advice, and entertainment to keep viewers engaged. Every video should have a clear introduction that outlines the promise of the content, a body that delivers on that promise in a detailed and logical manner, and a strong call to action that encourages viewers to like, comment, subscribe, and explore additional content. Utilizing AI-powered tools for scripting, topic generation, and even editing can accelerate the creation process while maintaining high production value, allowing creators to focus more on storytelling and viewer engagement than on repetitive tasks. Editing should always enhance the content rather than distract from it, incorporating clear visuals, captions, motion graphics, B-roll footage, and sound effects that complement the narrative without overwhelming it. Thumbnails and titles remain crucial for click-through rates, and in 2025, these elements must be designed for instant recognition and clarity even on mobile devices. Thumbnails should combine bright, contrasting colors, readable text, and expressive faces to communicate the content's promise at a glance, while titles should be concise, keyword-rich, curiosity-inducing, and relevant to the viewer's intent. Misleading clickbait may generate initial clicks, but will damage retention and long-term growth. SEO optimization is equally important. Including strategic keywords in the title, description, and tags helps the algorithm understand the content and serve it to the right audience, while captions and subtitles increase accessibility and watch time. Grouping related videos into playlists encourages viewers to watch multiple videos in one session, boosting overall channel performance, and analytics should be constantly monitored to identify which content resonates with your audience, allowing you to iterate and improve consistently. Shorts play an indispensable role in growth by offering rapid discovery opportunities and providing bite-sized content that can drive viewers to long-form videos. Each short should deliver an immediate hook, maintain viewer engagement through concise storytelling or visual appeal, and include a call to action directing viewers to your main content. Long-form videos can be repurposed into multiple shorts, transforming a single production effort into a series of discoverable clips. Building community and engagement is equally vital, as YouTube rewards interaction and active audiences. Responding to comments, posting polls, engaging with viewers through community posts, and collaborating with other creators all strengthen your channel's ecosystem and amplify growth. By analyzing metrics such as click-through rate, average watch time, audience retention, and engagement, you can continually refine your content, improve underperforming videos, and double down on formats that perform well. Consistency, experimentation, and data-driven decision-making are the foundations of a sustainable growth strategy. Monetization should be approached strategically, diversifying income streams across YouTube ads, channel memberships, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Investing in equipment, hiring support for editing or graphic design, and cross-promoting content on other social media platforms amplifies reach and efficiency. Collaboration with other creators introduces your content to new audiences, builds credibility, and fosters long-term opportunities. AI tools now play an essential role in both creative and operational workflows, from ideation and scripting to editing and analytics, helping creators scale without sacrificing quality. Finally, balancing trendy content with evergreen videos ensures both short-term spikes in growth and steady long-term performance, allowing your channel to continue attracting views and revenue months or even years after the content is published. By implementing these strategies comprehensively and consistently, any creator in 2025 can build a strong, engaged audience and transform their YouTube channel into a sustainable platform for influence, impact, and income.